So now we're gonna upload some files, right? So you can upload as well, you don't have to really publish it. Okay, upload. Okay, then now you start the report. So I'm gonna go here, set the region started to select all, set it to 2020. Okay, then to create a dashboard, a pin a visual hover to here. Pin it, so it will come out. Pin to sales monitoring dashboard. Okay, then open my workspace again, then you'll find this sales monitoring. Okay, single. To add a question, go here, set one of the suggestions beneath and review the response. Okay, review the response, see what it say. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, whatever. Then enter sales YTD. Okay, until there's blank. Okay, you may recall I added the sales manager index. This is a trend. Okay, so I need to know in which year. Okay, so now I need to pin this visual. Pin visual. Existing dashboard. Sales monitoring. See. Ta-da! Okay. Edit. Add a tile. In add a tile. Image. Next. Go to the link. Ta-da! Resize, resize, organize, organize. Edit detail. Okay. Edit detail. Type the subtitle to FY 2020. Right. Edit subtitle. Sales and profit margin. Edit detail was sales profit title. So edit detail. Okay. Display last refresh time. Okay. Just like that, I can know when they are last refreshed. So how do I refresh it? To here. Run this code, right? then we go to